How to fix Discord update failed error. Let's get started. Close all Discord processes. For that, launch your task manager. Search for it, or you can click on taskbar and select the option task manager. Under processes, you're gonna find the option Discord, or also you can search for it. Once you found the option, right click on it and select the option and task. Next, go back to the search bar and type this exactly. Run. Launch it. Now type in %local AppData % and click OK. You'll be directed to this page. From this list, find Discord folder. Right click on it and select the option Rename. Now type in update.exe or discord.exe. At the end of the file name, add a space and type repair. Press enter, then try launching Discord again. In many cases, this will fix the update error immediately. If Discord still won't update, we will need to reinstall it completely. So, search for the option Add or Remove Programs, launch it. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Discord. Click on 3 dots and hit Uninstall. Once it's removed, go to discord.com, download the latest version and install it. Restart your computer after installation and you should be good to go. That's it. Your Discord update failed problem should now be solved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.